my cute little friends. Look at these possum moments with my friends. They are super cute, don't they?
Miska, what are you doing?
Oh my god, okay, wait. Sit still for a second.
There. We have to take a bath today. She's not very keen on it. She doesn't like it very much. Good job. Good job. Good job. Here we go. Here is the captain. The captain. Miska, what are you doing?
Look at this distinguished gentleman.
You want to